Okay, guys, let's check the homework of yesterday. We are on page 89. Question 18. X equal 20 over 8. Question 19. X equal 18 over 8. Question 20. X equal 24 over 8. Question 21. X equal negative 35 over 8. 22. X equal 4 over 8. 23. X equal negative 24 over 8. 24. X equal 5 over 4 8, or 5 over 4 8 9. Okay, 25. X equal negative 14 over 8. 26. X equal negative 9 over 8. These are the answers. Now, before we start our new lesson, when we solve for a variable, if the question wants that, then if the question tells you solve the following equation for n, so at the end, n equal. But if the question said solve the following equation, means like what we did, numbers. And if x equal a number, okay? Now, if you have any questions about these exercises for your homework, check your answers, please. Yeah. Yes, Amar. Yeah, 22. كلهم same idea. Solve for x, right? 22, 8 over ax minus 5 equals negative 3. First step, we need to get rid of negative 5. Okay? Yes. So here, 8 over ax minus 5 equal negative 3 plus 5 in both sides. These are done. Still 8 over ax equal negative 3 plus 5. Now, we said we can use cross product or we can multiply the divisor. Yeah? What is the divisor here? Ax. Or you can make cross product. Yeah? Yeah. 8 multiply 1. Now, ax multiply 2. 2. Ax. Yes. Solve for x means I want the value of x the half. So I need to get rid of mean. هذول مع بعض ليه؟ عشان تضل هذه الحالة. How I get rid of 2a? I will divide both sides on 2a. So 8 equals 2ax. Divide both sides on. So x will be 8 over 2a. If you divide on 2 alone, a still with x. Yes. If you divide on a alone, 2 still with x. Got it? 22. Wait. Huh? Yeah. 8 with 2, how much? 4 over. You can divide on 2 here, and here it will be 4 over. Yeah, simplest form, sure. 4 over a, done? 5. 24. You can watch the video, guys, if you want to copy these exercises. 24, 5 equal 5 over ax plus 1. First step, we need to get rid of plus 1. هذه خلصنا. So here 5 equal 5 over ax plus 1 minus 1 in both sides. Okay. Still, what if we cross the minus 1 with the plus 1? Here, 5 over equal 5 minus 1. Same idea, yeah, cross the product or multiply the x on both sides. So here, our 1, do cross the product. 5 multiply 1, 4 multiply ax, 4 ax. Dividing what now? So here, 5 equal, right, so 4ax, divide both sides on 4a. X will be 5 over 4. Done? This is 22 and the 24. Else? Yes. Huh? Yeah, 21, 6 equal, sorry, 6 plus ax equal negative 29. What we need to get rid first? The 6. The 6 is positive. So here's 6 plus ax equal negative 2, 29. So here minus 6 and here minus. Done. Still ax equal negative 29, negative 6, negative 35. I want x dividing a only. So x will be negative 35 over 2. Done? Yes, Ammar. Minus 18 in both sides. شو بصير؟ Negative ax equal 42 minus 18. How much? 20. Divide the negative a both sides. بتضل x مش هيك؟ سهل يا عمار. اسكت يا عمار. 23. We have 18 minus ax equal 42. Hi, 18 minus ax equal 42. So subtract 18 in both sides. Negative ax equal what? 20. Divide the negative a. ايش المشكلة يعني؟ Else? Yes. Else? Got our lesson? Yeah. So we have a new lesson today, which is solving equations with variables on both sides. Now, all of our equations which we did, the variable was always on one side, either the left side or the right side. In this idea, we will have variables in both left and right. But, so here, lesson 4, we are in module 2, right? Lesson 4, solving equations with variables on both sides. We are on page 91. طيب اهدى شوي هيك خلي كل شيء انتبه على البورد. We have, for example, like 7a plus 5. Is it on the lesson? Yeah. Equal. Shut up. Now, is it on the lesson? Did I start? Oh, yeah. Now, what we have here, we have variables here and variables here, right? And numbers. الشكل equation فيها numbers وفيها variables. But this type of equation will be variables in both. What's your question?
We have, for example, 7a plus 12 and plus 5. And then on that side, 7a plus 4. We will make a cross for 7a and 7a. Less than 5 and 4. They are not equal.
Okay. Now we have variables on the left side and variables on the right side. And we have numbers. What we will do, the first step, we will put all the variables on one side and we will put all the numbers on the other side. Got it? Then we will combine the like terms. Remember? The like terms. How we combine the like terms? What are the like terms? Terms with the same variable and same exponent. We can add them. For example, 2x plus 3x, 5x. Share the variable issue. Yeah. So our step one, how we solve this kind of equation. Step one, put all the terms with the variable on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So our step, we will put all the variables on one side, all the numbers on the other side. But when we change a term from a side to a side, what we need to change? It is sign. يعني 2x لما نقولها الجهة الثانية شو بتصير؟ negative 2x. So regards the sign. Regards the what? The signs. That means when you change or transfer a term from side to side, you need to change the sign. So the first step done. نزلنا variables على sides والnumbers على side. Okay. Step two. Step two. Combine the like terms and the numbers. شو يعني combine؟ يعني the like terms I will make them one term. بدل ما يكون في 2x plus 3x plus 5x بحطهم كلهم one term, right? And also the numbers. What we will have here? A term with x and a term with numbers. حطيناهم كلهم مع بعض. So step 3. Find your solution. Example. Solve, for example, 2x plus 5 equal 9x minus 8. Plus, we have variables here and here. Step 1, we said what? Step 1, we said put all the terms with the variable on one side and all the numbers with the other side. Sure? Regards what? Means if I want a term and at any term, how many terms here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Any term you want to transfer it from a side to side, for them to change the first side. But for me, to make it easy for me, I always put the variables on the left side. Okay? So the left side, leave it for the variable side. The 2x had, is it on the left side? Leave it. Our bring meaning 9x to the 2x, right? And that is positive. We call it shifting. If you shift the 9x here, it will be what? Minus 9x. I ignored the 5 because I wanted to put it where with the negative 8, right? So here I need to put what now? No. Start with the term which is original. يعني مين اللي اصلا موجود؟ negative 8 مش 8. خليني أنفذ. Now transfer مين؟ ال 5 positive شو هتصير هون؟ So what I did here, I just put the variables on the left side, put the numbers on the right side. Now, if the variables stay on its side, we don't change its sign. So we change the sign if we transfer from before equal to after equal, or from after equal to before equal. خلاص? Now here, this side has all variables. This side has all. Now we are in step 2. Combine the like terms and remember, these are the 2x minus 9x negative 7x. 2 minus 9 negative 7x equal negative 8 negative 5. Now step 3, what? Find your solution. I want the value of x, what I will do? So x equal 13 over what? Over 7, because negative is negative is positive in the division. You can make it mixed number, you can make it decimal, do what you want. Okay? So this is the idea of your lesson. Let's go to example 1 and apply our steps quickly. Example 1. We are on page 19. Now solve. Focus, please. Focus on the board. On the board. Look at the board. Yes, the board. The board. The board. 5 plus 7a equal 4a minus 30. Okay? Done. For Yazan, look here, Yabni. We are on lesson 4. Look here, look here. We are on lesson 4. Solve equations with variables in both. So we have variables here and here. Okay? The first step, we put the terms with the variable on one side and the number on the other side. So the second step, we combine the terms, then we find the solution. For example, here, we have x here and here. The 2x keep it, and I transfer the 9x beside the 2x. The 9x is positive, becomes negative. Same for the negative 5, 8 still. And I put the 5 here, it will be negative 5. Now 2x minus 9x minus 7x, combine these two numbers, then find your solution. انتبه على البورد هلا. Yeah, here we have a to the left, a to the right, two variables. One variable, but in both sides. Okay. Fine. Now, I've said for me to make it easy, I will keep the variables where to the left side. So this 5, do we need it in the left side? No. I will no. But 7a, I want this stay. Don't change its sign. Why? I didn't transfer it from a side to a side. It's in the same side. But what I will bring for it? The 4a. The 4a is positive. Now the equal. What's the original exist? And don't forget me negative. Is it clear? Yes. Now the second step, combine the terms. 7a minus 4a, negative 13, negative 5. Now how we find a? Divide by 3, both sides. A will be how we check our answer? Replace a in the equation by what? Let's replace this time, mental. 7 by negative 6, negative 42. So, negative 42 plus 5, negative 37. You can have a side with that. 4 by negative 6, Negative 24, negative 13, negative 37. The sides are what? At A, only A. Only negative 6 can make this two sides equal, only. Done? Now let's go to the check after this example. We have check. Let's do it together. We are on page 91. تمام. يعني ما لقيت وقت تروح تجيبوا فيه هذا الشيء الا بالماث سيريز مثلا. سبحان الله. يلا 5 plus the check or there is no check, right? There is no check for this exam, right? Move. I will do the example 2, but I will take the equation of it directly. So this is not check, okay? اهدى لا بتحكي. Yeah. Example 2. I have this equation down. They said 6.2 n equal 3.8 n plus 1. Here, how many terms we have? We have 3 terms: 6.2 n, 3.8 n, and what? 1. هيك الايكويشن. تمام. This is the example. Okay, let's solve it. Now we said we keep the variables to the left side. I have 6.2 n. What I will bring for it? 3.2 n here, right? It will be negative. And this one stays at its location. Okay. Is there any number else than 20? So we have only 20. خلينا كام. So this is 6.2 n minus 3.8 n equals what? 2.4. Now 6.2 minus 3.8, how much? 2.4. 2.4 equals. Now I want to divide the 2.4 both sides. M will be negligible. As 8.3. ما في داعي. Yes.
Is it possible to have more than 2 variables in the equation?
Different?
No, more.
Different variables?
Yes.
Well, the same variable.
So it means like 6y in general, 8x.
If it's the same variable, you can have as much as you want. But if it's different variable, يعني x, y, يعني if I share, we have 5 plus 7a equal 8 minus 13. So we did it. The answer is how much? Negative 6. If I change a, this is a. If I change it to k, so how many variables here we have? A and in one equation, we cannot solve an equation with 2 different variables.
But if it's the same variable.
If it's the same variable, yeah, we can. The variables are combine them. Oh, cool. سمحت لك؟ ارفع ايدك عشان اسمح لك. ارفع يلا. مش هلا. طيب. Let's go to example 3 directly. Example 3. Example 3, we are on page 94. Now we have here brackets. See the brackets? يلا انتبه على البورد عشان تفهم. 7 with n minus 1 equals negative 2 multiplied by 3 plus n. تبع البورد. First step, I need to simplify these brackets by using something we did it before, which is distributive property, right? So let's get rid of the parentheses first. Yeah. So here, 7 multiplied n. 7 multiplied negative 1, negative 6. Huh? Equal comes down. Negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times n. Negative 2. After 2 plus, the value كله. This is not 2, this is what? Negative 2. This is plus n. Negative multiplied positive should be plus 7. Now we have two sides. There is no parenthesis, so we are ready to put the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. 7 and keep it, and bring for it mean it will be plus 2n, right? Equal comes down. What's originally here? Keep it, and over in minus 7 should here. Now combine here. 7n plus 2n, 9n. Negative 6 plus 1, positive 1. I want n. I'll divide both sides in 1. So n equal 1 over. واللي بيحكي 9 بدي اوصل الان. اجي احكي 9 شوف يلا. احكي equal 9. يلا احكي. احكي ما بفرق. 1 over 9, it's not equal to 9. عرفت؟ 9 over 1 equal 9. What? انت كيف جالس وراي وشايف؟ يلا ها. What?
7n negative 7. How to put it?
ها؟ كيف شايف؟ Yeah, which one?
When you write 7n negative 7. We divide 7 by
7n.
7 multiplied with 1. I mean like why you didn't write negative 7n. Your time is 7 with 1.
يبقى 7 multiply n. واللي جنب ال n ايش فيه؟ 7 multiply negative 1. اعطيها n ليش؟ ها؟ راح مع بعض. كيف يعني راح مع بعض؟
خليها نكتب 7n.
ها؟
نكتب 7n.
واكو ابونا. ركز يا ابني ركز. هاي here look here. 7 multiply n.
7n.
هي ايش بعد ال n؟
negative 1.
7 multiply negative 1.
negative 7.
ايش المشكلة عندك؟ لا وين احط n هون كمان؟
لا.
ها.
نكتب 7n.
قوم تعال علي. وين احط؟ امسك. ايش اعمل؟ احكي لي هون. اكتب لي هون ايش اعمل. وير اكتب مكان مين؟
التيم هاي بتكتب هون
روح خربت البورد ارجع. طب هذا الثاني شو رايك فيها؟ لا هذه ظابطه؟ يعني هذه ظابطه وهذه لا؟ Done. Let's do the check. We have checked after this example. Check after example 3, okay? Solve 7 by n minus 2 أيوة يا يوسف, I will come to you, don't worry. Plus 8 equal 3n. We multiply n minus 4 all minus 2. والله اسمك محمد؟ يلا يا محمد احكي معي يلا. ها بعدين ايوه give me 7 multiply negative 2 هاي negative 14. في مشكلة؟ أكيد يلا كمل plus 8 plus 8 ماليش فيه صح؟ equal 3 times n 3n 3 times negative 4 negative 2 ماليش فيه صح؟ Now I have 2 terms with variables and 4 terms with numbers, right? Let's put the 2 terms with the variable here and all the numbers, push them where? On the right side, yeah. So here's 7n. Bring me equal. Negative 4 خليه. Negative 2 خليه. Plus 14. Plus 14 minus 8. Right? Now here we have 7n minus 3n, 4n, and add subtract. Negative 12, negative 2, negative 14, plus 14, 0. Give you that. So here divide in 4, divide in 4, n will be negative 2. Okay guys, we will stop here. كم باقي لنا؟ لا لسه باقي وقت. Online students, ايش يا يوسف؟ Put your hand.
Mister, I want to answer, but Muhammad said he answered.
I hear you. Are you translating them? طيب. كل الكلاس عرف انه هو he wants to answer. ليش تعدل؟ I want to answer. He want to answer. صح كلام صح يا عبد الله. فلسفة بس. خالد. طيب. روح. Done the check. Let's do example 4, but for Mr. Abdullah. For example, 2 with 4a minus 5 equal 8a minus 11. We have a parenthesis here. Let's get this is an extra example. Let's get rid of the parenthesis. Yeah, 2 by 4 example. This is for Abdullah. Yeah, 2 by 4a. 2 multiply 4a, 8a. Minus 2 by 5, 10. So this one, 8a minus 11. So now let's put the a's together. So here we have 8a minus 8a equal negative 11 plus 10. Here we have what? 8a minus 8a 0 equal negative 1. S0 can be equal to negative 1. Are these two numbers equal? At this case, we say no solution, not this. ايش؟ done done. طيب your homework for today is page 97. بس يا بس حبيبي بس الله يسامحك بس يا غالي بس one 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 yeah until 15 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 this part for what we did today. Tomorrow inshallah we'll continue the lesson and I'll give you another homework. Okay, do the steps guys. I want to see the steps. Guys, for the online, don't forget your homework. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 page 97. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.